morning, children. My name is Mr. Fish, and our class today will be quantum physics. You will know every problem in this book, and you will understand every problem. There will be no meddling around, no fishing around. Now, my name is with an F, F as in fish, I as in fish, S as in fish, and H as in fish, and that's my name, children. Mr. Fish. Good morning, children.
Hi, Mr. Fish.
Good morning, children. You look like a couple of fine, upstanding students. And what's your name, little girl on the left?
Krista.
Krista, what's your last name?
Skinner.
That's a funny name. You look like Bud Bundy over there. Is that your name?
Yeah.
Yeah? You guys ready for some quantum physics?
Yeah.
Yeah, you better be. Because if you don't, you're going to be thrown back to kindergarten.
Mm-hmm.
This is a serious classroom. The first thing we will get into is the functions of a right triangle. Let me erase, oops, and stop. Let me erase my name here. Functions of right triangles are conversely related to the circle.
I know that.
The opened diagram is this. This angle here is 73 degrees. Alpha beta thing, 0 f dt over c dt. Correct? Correct. And functions SOHCAHTOA. And as it says in the book here, friction factor we is equal to c squared, okay? So, it's very simple. So what you do is you get an iron bar, and with forces up here and down here, and you will equal the sum of two vectors, which is into the circumference of this circle here, which also equals the area over d squared times 4. Now, when you get the inverse of that, it equals 1. Okay? Now, we're going into Einstein's theory next, right? Okay? Einstein's theory, E equals mc squared. Bud Bundy, I want you to tell me what each letter means. All right, Mr. Bundy, what does E equal?
E equals energy.
M?
M equals mass.
And what does c squared equal?
C squared equals speed of light squared.
And Mrs. Skinner, did you know that?
Yes.
You knew that?
Yes.
Well, you're both wrong. E equals elephant, M equals monkey, and c squared equals you two turkeys. What's so funny? You have to stay after class tonight, Mr. Bundy. And for our next subject, we are going to teach trig calculus. A very uninteresting subject, but you will learn it, children. You will learn it and learn it good. Let me erase all this brilliant stuff on the board before a Russian steals it. This is very top secret mathematics and quantum physics. Okay? Anybody watch Quantum Leap? Well, you kids are very good students. You don't watch Quantum Leap? It's like quantum physics, but today we're going to learn trig calculus, okay? Trig calculus is very simple. It's based on trigonometric functions, a squared plus
I know that.
the c squared over the d. And trigonometry is
I know that.
due on these algebraic functions, sine,
I know that. I know that.
cosine, tangent,
I know that.
and the
I know that.
cosecant of the tangent.
I know
Inversely proportionate, they are all equal to the
I know that.
a diametrical pitch
I know
of
that.
a screw thread.
I know
Now,
that.
screw threads figure
I
into
know that.
trig calculus very
I know that.
uninterestingly,
I know that.
but we
I know that.
But, you know, we
Know
try
that.
to stay away from screw threads.
I know
To
that.
trigger calculus.
I know
But
that.
the
I know
sine
that.
is equal
I know
to
that.
opposite
I know that. I know that.
over the secant.
I know that.
Alright?
I know that.
And
I
therefore,
know that.
it's equal to
I know that.
0.
I know
So,
that.
Mr. Skinner,
I know that.
what is the Pythagoras theorem, Miss Brainy? Give me the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, Smarty Pants, tell me.
C squared equals A squared plus B squared.
What's so funny, Mr. Bundy?
I knew that.
You knew that, huh? Well, you're wrong. C squared equals 2 cups of coffee. A squared equals 2 anuses. And B squared equals a couple of beehives. You kids are so dumb. Both of you stay after school, and I'm going to give you some real tough stuff to do. I don't know about you kids. I mean, you got Einstein's theory all screwed up. The Pythagoras theorem. I think I proved to you today that children nowadays just don't have any initiative or any smarts. They've lost their marbles. So I've decided to teach another course to these children, and it's called psychology. And I'll teach psychology tomorrow. Hopefully I'll straighten these two. This huge class of mine, Miss Skinner and Bud Bundy. Good night, children.
Good night, Mr. Fish, and thank you.
You're welcome.